Hello everyone! Welcome to English for Fun, and today we're going to learn a new letter. Let's start. Can you make the letter sound? I can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out. And today we're going to learn the letter O. This is the capital O. This is the lowercase o. Now you know how O looks like. Let's make the O sound. O, O, O. O, O, O. O, O, O. O, O, O. O for oboe. O for owl. O for ox. O for old. O for oval. O for otter. O for ostrich. O for octopus. O for orange. Now it is story time. Let's start. Once in a forest near an oval lake, an ostrich and an otter live. One day they argue about what the orange is. The otter says it's a color, the color of the sky in the evening. And the ostrich said that it's a fruit. It's his favorite fruit. So they decide to ask someone in the forest. They meet an ox and ask him, "Ox, can you tell me what the orange is?" But the ox doesn't know the answer. They decide to ask someone else. They go to the seashore and ask an octopus. "Octopus, can you tell us what the orange is?" But the octopus doesn't know the answer. So then they decide to ask an owl. The owl is old and wise. He knows everything. Once back in the forest, they find the owl playing oboe. "Owl, can you tell us what the orange is?" And the owl explains them that orange is the color of the sky in the evening, but also the orange is a fruit, and it's ostrich's favorite fruit. So both friends are happy now. They are both right. Orange is the orange color of the sky, and orange is a fruit. Now let's review the vocabulary. An owl, an owl, an owl. Old, old, old. A novel, a novel, a novel. An ox, an ox, an ox. An otter, an otter, an otter. An orange, an orange, an orange. An ostrich, an ostrich, an ostrich. An octopus, an octopus, an octopus. An oboe, an oboe, an oboe. Excellent, good job! I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, it's teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.